Everything is Tuberculosis by John Green is a nonfiction book, as the title suggests, about how everything is tuberculosis. And you absolutely need to read this book. If you don't know who John Green is, please, you know who John Green is. He wrote The Fault in Our Stars, Looking for Alaska, Turtles All the Way Down, and several other great young adult novels. He and his brother Hank Green have that YouTube channel called Crash Course Videos that explain basically everything to about 30 billion subscribers. He has been obsessed with tuberculosis for a while. You know that, John Green. He explains why he's been obsessed in the book. It is a perfect combination of his ability to weave a good story as seen in his best-selling novels and find incredibly interesting and seemingly obscure facts to make something mundane, like, say, tuberculosis, meaningful. So, for instance, why did John B. Stetson invent the cowboy hat in St. Joseph, Missouri? Tuberculosis. How was the character Sherlock Holmes invented? Tuberculosis. What has killed 7 out of 10 humans in the course of human history? It's still the #1 killer, despite readily available cures. You guessed it, it's tuberculosis. There is a solid chance this will be the best nonfiction book you have read in quite some time, and I think you should get Tuberculosis as soon as possible.